Good evening, ma. Online students, good evening, ma. Yeah, audible, right? Chalo. Right, happy Holi ra. बहुत very less students है. Only morning ना रहा. Till evening that playing हाँ. अरे बाप रे, exam कर दिया? Okay, how many have done exam? Exam. Raise your hands, ना. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are not done? Why? हाँ संजय, justification. What happened? Why you not done the exam? Sentiment score. हाँ tricks में है. अच्छा, I need to ask different way. How many attempted the exam? अच्छा. Some people are message me, sir, where is the exam paper? I also got same laugh. हाँ? अरे बाप रे, एग्जाम पेपर गूगल क्लासरूम में होता. हाँ? So when you will complete? Due tomorrow. By tomorrow you will complete, huh? By using ChatGPT, huh? Pray करो तुम्हारे self. Without using ChatGPT. बोलो, without using ChatGPT. I will complete. हाँ. Online students. हेलो. हाँ संजय. नहीं कुछ नहीं संजय. I said online students by unmute. No Sanjay, something is there at outdoor. Chalo, open your Jupyter notebooks. The user impact and off से data आ रहा है and pre-processing क्या कर रहे हैं? हाँ. Pre-processing we are not doing anything that much. हाँ. हाँ ठीक. N.I.T अटैक है, वो वाला अटैक है. English user impact. I will do that. ठीक ठीक. अच्छा, there is one drive is going on 22nd. The cognizant. My manager told that 22nd drive is there. Anyone is there, you send them. I will take care of. Okay. 22nd, cognizant. There's a GAR area is saying that. Where it is? Cognizant GAR. Campus. Kokapet. So now you can see the Kokapet also. 100 crores per acre land there. जाओ एक बार देखो कोकापेट. Office dot. I will just. asked me to update the panel slots. So he invited me actually, but I'm not sure. In-person driver. Don't take screenshot, Ray. Face-to-face interview, 22nd March, analytics and automation. So those who know Python and some SQL, go and attend. I will give my slots to them. Maybe if I am free, I will also be present at the location. If I am there, I will push you. That is. If I am not there, I will inform to my manager. Okay. थोड़ा utilize करो, जाओ. And analytics DA, digital data analytics, Gen AI and data science. These three are there. Hyderabad location only. Don't take the screenshots. Online people, be honest on the holiday. Otherwise, मेरा जिंदगी खत्म हो जाएगा. Nowadays, na, doing good things is very bad, especially for students. Go and attend it. Whether you know or don't know, that is कुछ भी नहीं होता. Go and attend it. If luck है तो they will take it ना. Job मिलता है. That is 22nd. Everyone will go. You go and do there. Freshers are not that I will tell you, but freshers I asked them. Freshers are uploaded. I will also give my name in the panel slots. If possible, we'll all come. We'll go together. Okay. Sanjay, 1 minute. I will update. Only 3 are there. Base map thing is there. Chalo, let me know. That is, but utilize the opportunity. If you don't go, tell to your friends at least. एक बार repeat करो चिन्ना. What is the first thing we need to do? Initialization. Next. What are the inbuilt functions? Length, sum, minimum, maximum, and reversed and sorted. Next. Concatenation. Next. Index. Next. So where we are now? Reversed and sorted. Well, reversed and sorted, we learned one of the important thing yesterday. What is the important thing, China? Backslash. That is sorted. In the sorted, there is a shift tab. What is there, ma? Backslash is there. Backslash means don't use this name. You should use this name. Reverse name present होना चाहिए. Iterable present ना होना चाहिए. समझा? That is the meaning. Now next reversed. Next put heading. Reversed. Next reversed. Reversed you already done, correct? But name equal to Python. Name equal to Python and reversed bracket open bracket close name this. Now look at the board here. The output is saying that reversed. Okay, that means what you have done the operation, it is performed. It is reversed and stored at address. at memory address. In order to, whenever you see the memory address greater than less than symbol, you need to see the answer in two ways. चिन्ह इधर देखो, not उधर, इधर देखो. हाँ, so reversed yet address store में हो गया. हाँ संजय कर दिया. So this you can return in two ways. Method one, using for loop. Using for loop. हाँ हाँ संजय. Only we need to add samples, no? Hmm. 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 But sample almost same only, no, generally. Hmm. I will add nothing the samples. Hmm. 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 Oh, escalation prone नहीं है. Discoverability 5, slide number 5. Hmm. ठीक है ना. Hmm. See, the method number 1 is what, ma? By using for loop. For I in reversed. You can give the name also, some variable. Some name variable is what, ma? str1. So str1 can able to see the answer. Instead of this, what do you want to make? str1. हाँ संजय. Hmm. Hmm. हाँ 12 बजे ना. Correct. Method 2 is very simple, ma. Just apply the list. You have to apply, convert into list typecasting. You know typecasting, right? LIST करो, ब्रैकेट ओपन ब्रैकेट क्लोज करो, आंसर लिस्ट में आता. सिंपल. हाँ संजय. यस संजय. हाँ. आई विल अपलोड. करेक्ट. I will do. Okay. So it is stored in the address, ma. When it's stored in the address, so you need to get in the two ways. One is you need to apply the for loop, or you need to apply the list. Which is best, ra? Method 2 or method 1? Method 2 or method 1? Method 2. But in the first time we'll learn hard things. Then we'll do the easy things. Generally, my teaching methodology like that only. I will not give easy things first. Easy thing I to lazy hota. So second one is the easy only. So, but you need to understand memory, address, output at address, output at address. This is will keep on come your life. The machine learning, deep learning, this will keep on comes your life. But always follow the tricks. The first trick is any function, you have bracket open, bracket close is there. Any function inside brackets, you need to apply the shift tab and you need to definitely read the doc string. And those who are not doing these two things, and you are definitely not a fit for the data science class. As simple as that. It's a very, very simple common sense. The way you need to learn like this subject. That is the way you will get a different from other students and you. So many things. Some you did only, max you did only, minimum you did only, reversed you did only, sorted you did only. I'm just giving the extra flavor. Sorted, I explain some more behavior. Reversed, I explain the more behavior. But initial level one you only did, na? How you did? Because you learned that is a function. In the function, we need to provide the values. And the beauty thing is you are able to connect with this packages, behavior, this packages, methods behavior with your own with your own functions. Yesterday we learned our own functions. A comma B we learned yesterday. And A comma B we created the same behavior and we observed, yes or no? Yesterday. And you are connecting the dots. You are connecting the dots. That is the way that is the path you need to go to become a good developer. Very good, Ra. Completed this. Always focus on this. Always focus on this. Output at address. Output at address. Apply the list concept. Always. Typecaching to list. Typecache. This don't forget, okay? This don't forget. So today online people, no one has any trouble to login issues, right? Online students. Today any trouble? If you have any trouble, you need to contact to admin immediately. Okay, contact to admin immediately. That is your job, ma. Contact to admin immediately. Before the class, definitely I will open my WhatsApp group. Before the class, definitely I will see the WhatsApp group, but I will also inform to admin only if any problem is there. But I can't rectify your problem, okay? I can't rectify. I can't go to the Naresh Shetty management building. I can't sit with that, IT team. That is, I will not do. Try to understand, especially online people. Nowadays, online people are, for small things also, messaging to me. Not message, directly calling to me. For small things also. थोड़ा ओमकार सर को रेस्पेक्ट करो. थोड़ा ट्रेनर है ना, not admin ना. I'm not an admin. I'm a trainer. So you are make me such a kind of thing. Why I given my number to you? Do you think any trainer will give number? Just go and ask in other classes. That is online people. I'm talking with you only. For small things also you are making your You are pinching me. Sir, देखो. Sir, देखो. Sir, इधर. Sir, like that. अरे क्या रे भाई, मैं क्या करूँ? हाँ? हाँ? That is, recording video is not uploaded. Recording video not uploaded. You need to call to admin? No. You are directly calling to Omkar sir. Omkar sir क्या कर रहे हैं? हाँ? If recording video not uploaded, first you need to talk to admin ma. Omkar sir only responsible for class, trainings, class notes, and career, career path. Like this only Omkar sir is responsible. This is not responsible for admin. थोड़ा understand करो, online students. चलो next very very important topic. Concatenation. str1 is equal to hello. str2 is equal to good evening. str1 plus str2 हेलो गुड इवनिंग. हेलो इवनिंग करो, थोड़ा अच्छा अंडरस्टूड होता. Concatenation means adding the two strings. This is anyone can know. Adding the two strings, jujube thing only. This is not our interest. Our interest is subtract karo, divide karo, multiply karo. What is coming? Tell me. Subtract, multiply, and divide. Subtract, multiply, and divide. If I want to give the gap, क्या करना? Huh? If I want to give the gap, quotes, sir. Very good, ra. क्या करना है इधर? Step number 1, A करो. वर्क होता. Step number 2, A करो. वर्क होता. नहीं यार. Step number 3, another string add करो. Another string. Step number 3, anything is possible because str3 also empty. str3 is what happened? Empty. In बीच में कौन आता? str third person आता. First person, second person, third person. तो separate होता. That's why don't enter into middle of anyone. str1 plus str2. हेलो एंड गुड इवनिंग. जाएगा मिडिल में, खत्म जिंदगी होता. नेक्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट एंड डिवाइड करो. एरर आता. Common sense will say that error. Why error? Because summation did not work yesterday. Summation worked for what? Only numbers. English you can't multiply. English you can't divide. And English you can't subtract. Common sense, na? That is not our interest. Error is our interest. Error is different hota. Error is our interest, chinna. str1 minus str2. All errors are not same. Check it. All errors are not same. Anirudh, when will you come back? str1 minus str2. This error is what? Unsupported operand. Very good. str1 divided by str2. What is that? Unsupported operand. A good student always read the error. You are a good student or not? There how many read the error? Trust. Pakka. Then if you are a good student. Now, str1 into str2. Can't multiply. How? Which error is same or which error is not same? Unsupported operand type. This is str string minus means minus not at all allowed. Minus not at all allowed. That is the meaning. Unsupported operand divide not at all allowed. But third one is they are not saying that unsupported operand, right? Unsupported operand they are not saying. They are saying I can't multiply. I can't multiply. That means multiplication symbol possible. Which means multiplication symbol is possible, but possible between whom and whom? Non-int type of str, which means you are giving two strs. Instead of giving two strs, one you give integer, another you give str, which means 3 into str1. 3 into str1 possible होता. Hello, hello, hello. समझ गए? So that is the difference. 3 into str1. Check it. Understood, Amma, online people? Very good, ma. So concatenation completed. Next index. Index is used to access the strings. Index is used to access the strings. So Python. Look at the board, Chinna, first. You look at the board, then you will do it. Okay. P Y T H O N 0 लिखो 1 लिखो 2 3 4 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 the positive direction and negative direction negative में values नहीं है ना so negative direction ऐसे start होता -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 हाँ लिखो मा everyone do it. We'll learn in the for loop these directions we learn in the directions like this. So here 0 is there, Chinna. Here 1 is there. Here 2 is there. 3 is there. 4 is there, suppose. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Python, P-Y-T-H-1. Each and every letter one number. Each and every letter is one number. Each and every letter is one number. Now look at the board. 5. Each and every letter is the one number. Now in the for loop, क्या होता है? Here -1. Look at the board, China. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, generally -6. It is a number, Chinna, but generally here Python only available here. Python only available. It is characters. So this is P, Y, T, H, O, N. So what we'll do? This direction. That's why what they are doing is they are shifting to this side. Then -5. This is -6. This become what happened now? -1 here. -1 is going here. 1 is shifting here. 1 is shifting. The direction changing here. Then this is going to -1. This is going to -2. This is going to -3. And it is -4. And is -5, -6. Because there is no side. That is also coming like this. Like these hands are there, two hands. So now it is coming like this. Samjha? So turned. It is turned. It is. So there are two directions now. 0 to 5 and -1 to -6. And here now very simple. Name equal to Python. Name equal to Python. Name square bracket to 0. Who will come? P will come. Who will come? P. And name square bracket to -6. Who will come? -6 also P will come. Like that. 0 also P will come. -6 also P will come. Similarly, name 1 who will come? लिख दो. Very good. Name is equal to 2. Name is equal to 3. Name is equal to 4. Name is equal to 5. लिख दो. Name is equal to 0. P will come. Here P will come. Python index start with the 0. We already know, right? We already seen in the for loop. By default, होली है तो क्लासेस मिस हो जाएगा. फेस्टिवल क्लासेस मिस हो जाएगा. When you will settle right in life, every year festival आता. Every year festival आता. Those are not attending the classes. That's your dedication level. That is. In India, every month one festival is there. I like festivals, but even God also will say something only, na? God, work is God. God also say that only. Work is only God. But unfortunately, festival means enjoyment. So in the name of the God, enjoy. Some people are in the evening also they are celebrating Holi. People needs enjoyment. Now, whenever I write like this, what is the next statement from Omkar sir? What is common? What is changing? Bolo, what is common? What is changing? Name common, square bracket common. नंबर चेंज है तो क्या लिखना? आई लिखना. आई किधर से किधर? 0 to ले लो, फॉर लूप ले लो, करो फॉर लूप में. For I in range of 0 to 6, name square bracket I. प्रिंट करो. कौन आता? Python आता. If you do that, I am so happy because now you are learning the subject. See, Python is so easy, ra. जुजुबी है. करेक्ट है? वर्किंग है? हाँ, ऐसे Python. Easy है Python. Doing online people. What is common? What is changing? Name common, square bracket common, I is changing. I from where to where? I from 0 to 5. How can I implement through for loop? For I in range of, by default 0 is there, na? So directly 6 लिखो. Directly 6. Then first print karo. Print I karo. Print I karo. Then who will come? Numbers will come. Why numbers will come? Because who is you given? Range. Range means what? Numbers. So how to access that using the number? Comma, name, square bracket, I. So name, square bracket, I will give what? Now here, the I become what happens? Step number 1. Step number 1, I equal to 0. The name, square bracket to 0. That answer is what? P. And step number 2. Step number 2, I is equal to 1. The name square bracket 1. That is what? Y. Simple. So you understood the for loop very well and you are able to write. This is the generic expression. Is what is the generic expression, ma? Name, bolo. Name square bracket I. Understood now? Every time whenever you write the same thing multiple times, always think about the loop. How to make it as loop. Very good, very good. Online students clear. Name equal to Python for I in range of 6. Instead of 6, what here I write? Length. Length क्या? Length also 6 only, na? Tomorrow I am changing big. Hi, how are you? I am making. Hi, how are you? You can't count, na? Automatically what will use? Length. Automatically what will use? Length. So here we'll write n. Sir, I don't worry about the bracket, sir. I will not confuse. Then write length of name. No, sir. I am little worry about the brackets. Then write about only n. That's up to you. Up to you. You don't need to count. Now print. क्या करना? बोलो. आइया. Name. Square bracket. Square bracket means accessing. Normal bracket means function. Square bracket means what? Access the elements. Normal bracket means function. Now answer will come. So instead of number, give what? Length of that string. Note down this length of string. Very good. Now look at the board. This is very, very important. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is called index. Similarly, -1, -2, 6 is called what ma? Index. So this is positive index. This is what? Negative index. Now, if I want to write like this, the positive index of P is 0. Then this 0 next to the positive index of y is 1. So this P and Y will give the positive index of here this is changing. So this who will give name square bracket I, correct? Is I. Your I become what ma? 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Name of 0 means P. So this is the way we generally write it, which means for I in range of length of name colon, then print the same story, the positive index of is this, like this. Now here you need to fill the brackets. Now who is name here? Suppose Python le lo. Who is name here? Python. Then here P आना चाहिए, here Y, here T, here H, here O, here N. क्या लिखना है इधर बोलो? Name square bracket I, here I. समझ गए अभी? Now the question is, I want the same way. The negative index of P is -6 आना चाहिए. What is आना चाहिए? The negative index of P is -6 आना चाहिए. करो. Question number 1. Write a program. Ask the user display the number, display like below. Question number 1. The positive index of P is like this. Without saying you do, that is jujube thing only. Everything you will copy, ara. The negative index of P is -1, -6. Now both combined ra. First to print the numbers ra, reverse order. -6 to -1 print karo. Then apply the name of I karo. As a good student, first to iterate the order. First to numbers print karo, because you know na for loop. Reverse order, positive order, you know how to do. The positive, now both together. But tomorrow it's 1 month Python starts. We have 1 week left. By the next Saturday we'll finish. Tomorrow onward SQL class ma. Class timing is at 5 to 8. Tomorrow onward SQL class. Tomorrow every Saturday onward SQL. Every Saturday SQL class. The class timing is 5 p.m. to 6:20. and 6:20 to 6:20 p.m. to 6:40 break, and 6:40 to 8 p.m. second session. 2 sessions every Saturday till we complete the SQL and Power BI. Every Saturday this will keep on continue. Every Saturday. Janya, every morning is there. Next week exam is there, na? From next week onwards we'll do. Every Saturday SQL class. 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. 5 p.m. to 6:20 and next 6:40 to 8 p.m. Everyone should install the no Gen classes. No. Next week exam is there, na? Next week exam is there. No morning class. No morning class and no workshop. No workshop. Just prepare for the exam. Just prepare for the exam. Attend it. It is a number of unlimited. It is unlimited, ma. Unlimited chances. Some people are asking me when I post any job opportunities. When I post any job opportunities, they are asking, am I eligible or not? China, you need to remember one thing, Ra. Okay. Generally, I am a very busy candidate. I will not play cricket every time. Okay. So many students post to me. The post will come to my WhatsApp messages. When I will see, I will post it. Are you should discuss, Ra. You are not a kids, na. If you open that post, you can easily understand, na, qualifications. If that also Omkar sir required for you. थोड़ा respect करो ना भाई ओमकार सर को. Every bar why you are pinching Omkar sir? If you open that, the qualifications will be available. Pass out. This is the pass out. This is the criteria. It's clearly they will mention any qualification. You never apply for anything or what? Some people are behaving like that. That is, I don't know why they are behaving like that. Even that is also I need to post. That sometimes what I feel now, why I am posting Ra Bapre, and why I am thinking like this. That is I am thinking like that. That no trainer is behaving like that. These Gen Z kids are no Gen Z kids. Gen Z kids. That is. మనుషులరా నాయన. Do it first. Don't combine these two. एक ही for loop में दोनों आना चाहिए. Third one. एक ही for loop में two should come. For loop is only one for loop only, but answers two answers should आना चाहिए. Third one. First, by using the for loop, print the numbers. Completed, huh? लास्ट वाला both 0 to 6 आना 5 आना चाहिए and -6 to -1 भी आना चाहिए. Last one ऑटोमेटिकल आना चाहिए. Same for loop, for I in range of 0 to 6 only you need to do, and how it will come negative way you need to think about that. I will update about the link ma SQL class link. SQL class max we have different link is there. Different link is there, but I'll update. Don't worry. SQL we need to install. I will explain before the class. चलो for I in range of name equal to Python, for I in range of length of name, print I karo first. Then you print I, this I is the positive printer, negative printer. Positive direction. How can I convert into negative direction? 0 becomes what? 0 becomes what, ma? Think about that. How 0 become -6? R.S. Agarwal. How 0 become -6? Follow. How you 0 become -6? What number you need to add? -6 only. So if I do I -6, it will work, sir? Huh? Not work, sir? Work, sir? बोलो इंस्टेंस पक्का हाँ हो गया ना पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन है और नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन है सिंपल दैट इज सेम फॉर लूप so for I in range of print the positive direction the positive direction the positive index is the positive index is I and the negative index is negative. I will give some symbol negative index reduce is I minus 6 for कौन P ना रे P. How can I get P? Name of I. It is the answer. How many done? Half. इसमें half क्या रे? नहीं. So not on it. Simple logic that is. Both will come at a time. Simple logic. अरे इतना थोड़ा सा फाइन ना? How? So that's all. You will not eat after this sign. Later. Okay, but 6:30 you should at least eat something. What do you bought today? Okay, only that only. You can't eat any other thing other than that. Time. I will give biscuit packet today tomorrow. For Nilofer. If you distribute everyone, one piece आता. Good. Today morning, three students came. Okay, the 3 students are saying that, sir, we are not able to get logic. We are not able to get logic, sir. Then I asked them, show me your practice. Show me your practice. They are laughing. What is that meaning? What is that meaning? Practice ille. They are saying that 2 times practice that yesterday we did not practice. 2 times not possible, ma. That Python is completed 2 months back. Python completed 2 months back. If you note down all our classroom questions only, as of now it is almost 40 to 50 questions hota. You count it. From starting onwards with assignments and everything, 40 to 50 questions hota. By the time of the Python class only, 100 questions will be happened. Plus, I will share one book. I shared one book also, 140 Python book. That these questions only come in interview. So total 240 questions is there. How many questions? 240 questions. 240 questions you need to practice 20 times, 200 times, 2000 times. Chinna. 2 times naye. Then you discuss with me why logic will not come. Are you getting? Practice 1 time, 2 times, and then you are feeling that logic is not coming, means that is your problem only. Logic will not come. Logic आने के time पे 6 months होता, 1 year होता, 2 years होता. It is a process. It is a continuous process. Logic will not come in 2 days. Getting them online people. Logic will not come in 2 days. But I will give some motivation, that is the logics, only 100 logics only will be available wherever you go. If you learn this 100 types of problems, 101 problem you can able to attempt it. 101 problem you can able to attempt it. That 100 logics have you practiced? How many times you practiced? 2 times practice is not enough. 20 times practice karna. You do like this. Tomorrow you done the even and odd question. Even and odd question. You done the divisors questions. Correct? Even and odd question you use modulus operator. Divisors also what you use ma? Modulus operator. Now just copy these two. Now talk to ChatGPT. That's why every time what I am saying, that chat with ChatGPT. Hey, I am practicing Python. I am practicing Python. So I practice these two questions. I practiced these two questions. These two questions. One is even and odd. Even and odd. Another one is find the divisors. Both are modulus operator. Both are modulus or operator. Logic only. Logic only. Type करने के लिए patience चाहिए. That is called prompt engineering. समझा? Each and every detail you need to explain to machine. That's a prompt engineering separate course होता. So then machine will understand. Now give me some more similar questions. Some more similar questions for practice. For practice. Then it will give some more similar questions. Then you can do that also. Medium to hard chahiye. Medium to hard. How many questions? Give me 10 questions. Everything it will give. Now it will give the questions. 10 questions. Only modular update. GCD, LCM, sum of detail, reverse, count, divisible all digits, modular power, alternative, these twin primes. These are the questions. These are all questions. What is the logic? Modulus operator. Then you need to practice that. That's the way you need to build the logic. When we learn, this is not there. Na ChatGPT is not there. Now you have so much Gen Z kids. So much technology is there with you. Every night you need to chat with what? Not with girlfriend. Chat with that is only mantra. Every night that only you need to do. Why will celebrate Holi? Malum ille. That's why I ask the ChatGPT with the ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT while celebrate Holi. Then it will give that answer. Getting them online people. So this is the way you need to get the practice questions. Like that. Similar modulus operator concept, similar thought process. Logic build hota. Always follow this technique. Because this guy is the perfect tutor. This guy is only your level 1 interviewer. You need to paste your resume on this ChatGPT. Behave like as an interviewer. This is my resume. This is my projects. Ask me questions. It will give 50, ask that 50 questions. Out of 50 questions, 10 questions will match with real time. 10 question means 15 minutes. You are engaging the interviewer. Definitely will select the next round. Like that, you need to use the GPTs, machines. Not for, no, give me the code fatafat. I want to exam is there. I want to do that. That is nahi. That's for not like that, ma. Utilize the GPTs efficient way. So I don't want to see because of lack of practice, not able to get logic. This I don't want to see. Logic will not happen in 2 days. Trust me, it will not happen 2 days. It will happen 200 days. Don't compare with other students. It is slowly, you need to increase the weightage. That's the way you need to do. Very good. Now question number 3. Write a program as the user find the number of A in a given string. Given string. The string is Ola, Ola, Ola. How many A's are there? 3. The answer should be 3. Answer should be 3. With a counter wrapper. Which wrapper it is? Counter wrapper. Idea. Counter wrapper. Iterate each letter. Iterate each letter using for loop. If that letter is equal to A, if that letter equal to A, then count equal to count plus 1. Then count updated by 1. That's the logic, simple logic. Iterate each letter. P, Y, T, H, O, N. Every letter is coming now. If condition lagao. If that letter equal to A, then increase the count. Do it. Easy question. First iterate the each letter. Iterate the each letter. Then apply the if condition. एवरी डे पाइथन प्रैक्टिस करना, एवरी डे. Hasan, Sravanti, Pesher question ama. What is their mean that question? Only Hasan said the answer. What about remaining people? Raja Reddy, Sujit Kumar, Aravind, Mamshi, Karachina last, Chambaji, last, Karnool, Konda Burdu, Mahesh Babu. చిన్న కటింగ్ చేపించుకున్నారా కొత్తగా? హోలీ హోలీ ఆడలే ఈరోజు? ఏంటి స్పెషల్ టుడే హాస్టల్ స్పెషల్? ఫ్రైడ్ రైస్, కర్డ్ రైస్, ఫ్రైడ్ రైస్. చలో ఇటరేట్ ద లూప్. హౌ యు ఆర్ ఇటరేటింగ్ రా? యూజింగ్ రేంజా, యూజింగ్ ఇన్ ఆపరేటరా? యూజింగ్ రేంజా, యూజింగ్ ఇన్ ఆపరేటరా? ఫర్ ఐ ఇన్ ఆల్సో వర్క్స్ నా? For I in str1 print I, what will come? What is the difference between in and range? Tell me. Range through number it will access. In direct access. Now who is I here? I become what? O. I become what? L. Direct access. This will learn in the for loop itself. But suppose if you apply the range here, for I in range of क्या लिखना है इधर inside? Number चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? Number. That number is what? Length of str1. Then here now I become what? Number. Now I become what? Number. So when to use in operator, when to use range operator? Simple. Are you using your indexes? In your question, index is required. Huh? Index required in your question? Huh? Index required or letter character required? Then use in operator. Then use in operator. Index है तो use range operator. समझ गए? Because we can iterate the loop. We can iterate the loop two ways. Either using range or for I in str1 print I comma, I'm writing E and D. I don't want scroll. E and D. Both are same answers only. But the first one is what? First one is what? Using index. Second one is what? Direct access. This is the key difference everyone should understand. Everyone is clear this? Online people, online students. In my question, I am not using index, as though that's why I'm for easy way, I am writing the for str1 print I. Each and every character will come, but I don't want each and every character, Chinna. I want a specific character. Who is that guy? I equal what? A. I equal to what? A. Then print I. Then how many? 3. So what is the counter wrapper? Bolo. Count equal to 0. Whenever success will come, count equal to count to plus 1. Don't write outside. Whenever it is success. When it is success, when it is inside, if only it is success. Not outside. Then the count equal to 3. Count equal to answer kitna? 3. How many are done? Raise your hand. Very good. Very less students only. Next question. Same question. Write a program. Write a program. Ask the user. Find the sum of all indexes of A in a given string. In a given string. Suppose a string is equal to Ola, Ola, Ola. The answer should be A number kitna chinna? Look at the board. A number kitna? 2 plus. Next A number kitna? 0, 1, 2. Space also there na? 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 7, 8, 9, 10. Answer should be 18. This time summation wrapper. This time summation wrapper, and we need indexes. What do we need? Indexes. So we should use in our range. Loudly. Range. Karo. Do it. You need to practice a lot, ma. Many of the students are, I don't know, still they are facing struggle. Struggle. Practice. That is only the mantra. If you run away from practice, no one will help you. Again, you will feel like that Python is itself is tough. Forget about data science. People will laugh at you. So many in our class, more than years of experience. They are learning, and you freshers, you just young guys. I uploaded 2 assignments yesterday. You notice? Complete, huh? Summation wrapper. Simple ma. Same question only, but this time we want I. For I in range of length of str1 colon print str1. Each and every letter will come. Sorry, I. We don't want all the letters. What we want? First A. If str1 square bracket I equal to A, then print what we want. When it is equal, what we want, ra? Are you understood question, first of all? What we want? What we need when it is equal? Indexes. पहले क्या चाहिए? Index. बाद में sum करो. So indexes who will give index? I will give. Print क्या करना? I करो. 2 आता, 6 आता, 10 आता. बाद में sum करो. Sum करने के लिए easy trick क्या? Sum equal to 0. Sum equal to sum plus I. Then print sum. Answer कितना? 18. How many you have done? Yeah. Very less people this time. I don't know. It's a simple question also you are not doing. What you are doing every day? The real. Raise your hand. How many are practicing every day? Such bolo. Sachi. Pakka. Pakka. Why you are doing like this? Yes. Huh? This question, what is there, right? In this question, huh? Like same like above question only, na? This question, what is there? I am not seeing anything difficult in this. I chahiye. This batch is different batch, ra. I think in the last 5 years, I'm seeing this batch, this kind of batch. You're ultimate. By tomorrow, our regular class started by 1 month. By tomorrow. By the time we need to finish Python actually. There 1 week delay. If this is the case, how many weeks will delay? I'm not getting confident on your batch. First time I have taken 5:30 p.m. First time. First batch, 5:30 p.m. batch. Generally office is there, na office. Sort of meetings hota. That's why I denied. But chairman sir told me that you need to take the batch. So generally students will come more to my batch. So that's why I requested. Students came, but they're not learning. That is. Make me happy ना रे. थोड़ा practice करो ना. ये practice नहीं होता है practice. Practice not enough. Next question. At least do this question, please. Third one, similar question. Write a program. Ask the user. Print the vowels. And count the number of vowels. Means the string one is equal to hi, how are you? Then the vowels answers is equal to A is the vowel, I is the vowel, O is the vowel, and next A is again coming, again E coming, again O coming, again U coming. How many? 7. The answer should be 7. Now instead of equating only A, this time you need to equal to all A, E, I, O, U. First, similar to first one only. There we equated only one letter. But this time we need to equate many letters. At least do this, Ra, please. Omkar sir saying please. At least do this. Today, Holi, na? Every Holi, I will watch that Basanti song. Basanti, don't do dance in front of the dogs. In that, at least the people are studying for 30 members. They are doing work hard. At least. At least they are trying. Basanti, don't do dance. Basanti, don't do dance. At least they are trying. Such an inspirational song. What you are doing, Ra? Basanti, do dance. Basanti, do dance. Huh? What you are doing? Practice Corona, Rachina. Equate to AEIOU, Ra. Equate to AEIOU. Last full formula ఉన్నాయి రోజు. Online people. First iterate each letter. For I in str1, print I. Each letter coming, we don't want every letter. Stop करना. Stop करने के लिए क्या करना? Condition. If I equal to equal क्या करना? So you are writing A and I equal to E. You are writing like this, huh? This is correct only, but bad way of writing. Instead of that, you take some another vowels. A, E, I, O, U लिखो. If any I in vowels, then that become vowel only, na? We are calling each letter and we are checking that letter also appear in the vowels. Then print I. Then automatically only vowels will come. Only vowels will come. This is the smartest way. Even though if you are doing if I equal to A and I equal to E and I equal to O, instead of doing this, we are using in operator, in help. This is also correct only, but this is a 2 marks. If you write like this, you will get 4 marks. Simple. So this, instead of doing like this, what we are doing here, and counter wrapper. Counter wrapper means what? Count equal to 0, count equal to count plus 1 and print count. Chinna, now you have a 2 days time is there. Friday night to 2.5 days. Friday night to Saturday, Sunday. And next class, Python class, next class, Monday, evening. How many days you have? थोड़ा पढ़नो रहा भाई. थोड़ा पढ़ो ना, पढ़ के आ जाओ. Everyone, online people, my sincere request. I'm not getting confidence, ra. Are you getting? थोड़ा confidence दे दो. Sir, we are learning. We are able to do, sir. थोड़ा speed up करना ना course. It's going like tortoise. 6 months course become 1 year course. I am okay. Management not okay. Suddenly they will say that stop the course and take only weekends. Then khatam jindagi. That is an institute. It is an institute. It is not a home tuition. It is not a home tuition. Thoda pado. So everyone should read and come. And very, very important thing is, everyone should install SQL Server. SQL Server. SQL Server ma. SQL Server installation for Windows. Okay. YouTube karo. YouTube video. There's so many videos are available. Suppose you see this SQL Server. Look at the board ma. It's very simple ma. I will share the documentation also. But एक बार देखो इधर. First go to download SQL Server. क्या टाइप करना? क्या टाइप करना? थोड़ा बताओ ना भाई. Download SQL Server. Next, what is coming? SQL Server download. Now look at the board. I am typing here. SQL Server download. Just type like this. No 2019, no 2022. Just to do this. Then what will come? SQL Server downloads. Now how many options are coming? 3 options are coming. How many options? In the down, how many options are coming? 2 options. Developer or Express. So we need to go to developer, not developer, Express edition we need to go. Express edition. Because developer means office people. Developer only is taking. Take the developer itself. Take the developer only. Download it. डाउनलोड करने के अनाकोंडा क्या किया? अनाकोंडा डाउनलोड करने के भी ओपन ना, डबल क्लिक, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंस्टॉल. That's called install chinna. That is step number 1. Now you see downloaded, double clicked. When you double click, same exactly like this only will come. Basic choose karna. क्या choose करना? Basic. Exactly follow this only. Basic choose करो. You choose the download media. You choose the basic. Choose the basic and click on the download. It will download like this. Download successful. Then exit करो. हो गया. One part हो गया. So next another part. Next. Don't do all these things. Nonsense is doing. You pick the wrong one. I'll give the right one now. Now look at the board. Documentation is ready. Just that give an idea. Mac also एक बार search for ma. Mac is very difficult ma. SQL Server. That only ma. iOS Mac थोड़ा check करना है. YouTube में. Generally we most of the people use Windows only na. Now you see here. You just open this. Then I open that Express edition. Express edition जाओ. Then क्या choose करना? Basic. Then once after some time there is a install SSMS will come. What will come? Install SSMS will come. Install SSMS means if it is not comes, I'm clicking on this. Okay, look at the board. There's a download SQL Server Management Studio is coming, SSMS, and exactly dictated here. Exactly dictated here. Then download it. Finish ho gaya. In the search, you need to search like this, SSMS. Then you will see SQL Server. You will see SQL Server icon. That is we need. Two steps ma. Two steps. Two steps karna. Step number one. Step number one. SQL Server download. SQL Server download. Go to that. And there is an Express Edition. There is an Express Edition choose karo. In that, basic choose karo. And after some time, you will see install SSMS pop-up will come. Install SSMS will come. That is called step number 2. That is called step number 2. And then you need to click on the install SSMS. It will redirect to again Google page. Again Google page. And that page is this. Download SSMS and you directly it will complete it like this. Only 2 steps. समझ गया? थोड़ा ऑनलाइन थोड़ा WhatsApp group में discuss करो. Those who are completed, explain to them. And I will share the proper YouTube video in the group. Today only you need to complete and tomorrow we'll start the class. And tomorrow class at 5 p.m. Class at 5 p.m. Chalo, thank you. Bye.